Stolen that horse and been halfway to Hammerfell.
Okay.
You and me, we shouldn't be here. It's these Stormcloaks the Empire
I'm not
wants.
understanding right now.
We're all brothers and sisters in minds now. Shut up back there.
What's wrong with him, huh?
Is that me?
Speaking to Oliver Stormcloak, true High King.
Alright.
Oh,
It's my first time playing.
no. You're the leader of the rebellion. We captured you. Oh,
Grandma
God.
talked me into
Where are they
this.
taking us?
We don't know where we're going. The sun guard awaits.
No, this can't be happening. This isn't happening.
Hey, what village are you from, horse thief?
Why do you care?
A Nord's last thoughts should be home.
Alrighty then.
Rorikstead. I'm from Rorikstead.
Excellent is waiting. Good. Let's get this over with.
Sure. Mara, Bella, Kinnereth, Akatosh, Divines, please help me. Look at him.
General Tullius, the military governor. And it
What are
looks
they
like
talking
the
about?
Thalmor are with them. Damn elves. I bet they had something to do with this.
Alright. I do not understand games.
I used to be sweeping a girdle from you.
I used to be sweet on the girls. Okay.
Funny.
Funny.
I was a boy. Imperial walls and towers used to make me feel so safe.
I used to be a boy. Yes. I love riding along like this. This is great. This is easy.
Inside the house.
Yes. Why are they staring?
Why are we stopping?
Why
Oh my
did
god, wait.
they end of the line?
We're prisoners?
Let's go. Shouldn't keep the gods waiting for us.
No.
No, wait, we're not rebels.
We're not rebels. We're not rebels.
Face your death with some courage, thief.
You've got to tell them we weren't with you. This is a mistake.
Step towards the block when we call your name. One at a time.
Empire loves their damn lists.
Oh my goodness.
Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windham. It has been an honor, Jarl of
Okay.
Ralof of Riverwood. Lokir of Rorikstead.
No, I'm not a rebel. You can't do this. You're not gonna kill me.
Archers! Anyone else feel like running?
Wait. You there. Step forward.
This is you.
He's not on the list.
Forget the list. He goes to the block.
By your orders, Captain. I'm sorry. At least you'll die here, in your homeland. Follow the captain, prisoner.
Walking.
Is that me walking? How come I can't control it?
Ulfric Stormcloak. Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like a voice to murder his king and usurp
Where
his
am I?
throne. You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and
Who am
restore
I?
the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
Who's talking?
As we commend your souls to
The girl
Aetherius,
listens.
blessings of the eight divines upon
For the love of Talos, shut up and let's get this over with.
Yes, just shut up. Let's go with it. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Yes, yes, come on. Wait a minute.
My
God.
ancestors
Me?
are smiling at me, Imperial.
If I can find out who I am.
You seem to say.
want to know
fears
who
and death
am I?
as he was in life.
Next, the Nord and the rags.
What?
Here it is again.
Well, the
Did you
prisoner?
hear that?
Why can't
I said next
I can't
prisoner.
believe Grandma
To the
did me
mob
this
prison.
way.
Nice and easy.
What's going on?
Your head's getting ready to get chopped off.
Oh God! I'm getting ready to die. Oh my. Well, so buttons.
They push the buttons.
I'm pushing buttons.
No, don't.
Don't push. What the?
Let it
Did I
run.
just die?
Let it run.
I just died, didn't I?
No.
That was sad.
Now, come on now.
Why is my controller shaking?
Follow the guy that's got the arrow on his
Oh,
head.
yeah, okay.
Follow the guy.
I'm trying. Okay,
There you
yeah,
go.
okay.
You're sneaky.
It's all blurry.
Why are you sneaky?
I'm not thinking.
You are
I'm
sneaky to the
trying.
eye. To the eye, it's sneaky. Follow the guy. Talk to the guy.
The
Talk to the
guy.
guy.
Wait a
Where's the
minute.
guy? You're sneaky.
What guy? I want
Here.
thinking.
Listen to him.
How do I listen to him? I hear just what? This guy?
Stop sneaking.
How do I don't know. I was thinking.
Push. There you go. Now you're not sneaking.
I can't hear you talking.
Follow him. Follow him.
Ow. Come on. Did you just say you're my
Follow
boyfriend?
the guy with the.
What?
Follow the guy.
I'm. Don't. Wait,
Where
wait.
are you?
I
Up
don't
the steps. Up the
know.
steps. He's waiting on you.
I'm.
Oh, you just got killed first time, man.
Oh my God.
You ain't even gonna make it to the easy part.
Easy. Oh my gosh.
Now follow him again.
I'm trying.
Oh, you just fell down the steps. You didn't die.
Jump through the roof and keep going.
What? Jump over and keep going?
Press Y to jump.
Wait a minute. Where's Y?
That's why. But you gotta get to
I'm
the window
jumping.
first.
I'm jumping.
Oh, get to the window. You're gonna jump out the window. Hurry before the.
I don't know how to
You gotta
go.
hurry before the dragon gets you.
Okay.
All right, now jump out the window. But
Okay.
you got a place you're supposed to jump.
I
Okay,
just
keep
jumped.
running. Keep running.
I'm trying to run. I don't know
Keep
how to
running.
run.
Okay.
Okay. Wait.
Help her out there,
Oh, wait.
Doug.
Use everything we have.
Oh. Yeah.
I'm
I'm.
sneaking again. Stop sneaking.
I don't want to die.
They see you anyway. Then you don't got what? 2 people killed.
I killed those people.
You got them killed by the dragon.
Die, Dragon.
Where am I supposed to go?
Follow the arrow. See the
Where?
arrow up at
No,
the top?
I'm
Up at
blind.
the top?
No, I don't.
Right there. Follow that arrow. Make your man. Hurry for the dragon.
I'm trying. I don't know how to go nowhere. I'm in the sky.
There. You running. You're supposed to follow the dragon.
I don't know
Don't
how
follow
to.
the dragon.
I don't.
See where the arrows point you to go.
I-
Run that direction. Run.
I don't know how to run.
Well, learn.
Die. For the love of the gods, die.
That is not the way the
I
arrow
don't know
is
how to
pointing.
run. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You should have told me to push that button.
You left your friend.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, you gotta jump again.
Jump. Okay.
See where he jumps? Bam.
Okay. Wait, there's some cool stuff back there. Wait. I don't understand. Oh. No.
You're peeping again.
I can't help it. I don't know what I'm doing.
There you go, peeping.
Why do I keep looking up in the air? It said don't look up, focus on me.
See the arrow over there? That's where
trying.
you're supposed to be.
I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to go.
Okay, you're going. You're going. Gotta follow the arrow. There you go. You follow that guy.
Got it, boy. You're doing.
Oh God, what is that?
What do you want it to
Just, I'm running. How do I get out of here?
Keep close to me if you want to stay that way.
be? Keep close to him, he said.
Who? I don't know
Him, he's
who's
got an arrow
talking.
over his head.
Oh.
The guy with the arrow over his head. Follow him. Yes, that's right.
Oh, and he's gonna protect me?
Yeah, he's going to help you get out of there.
Okay.
Stay close to the wall.
Stay close to the wall.
Stay close to the wall.
I'm trying, buddy. I'm trying.
Follow me.
Follow him, Stacy. Come on, Ray.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
All right.
Oh.
Did you get him killed? No?
Get up, get up. I'm sorry, buddy, if I did that. You get knocked down, but you get up again. Come on, stay with me. I'm lost.
Yes, that was a dead lady.
Oh my gosh. So the guy I'm chasing is my friend.
Yes.
Okay.
He was your friend. I don't know where the arrow went now. You lost your arrow?
I don't know.
We don't know why he went that way. There's two arrows.
Hey,
There's
I'm
never
trying to
been
hear
two
him.
arrows.
I'm trying to hear him. I'm cold. I'm going here by the fire. Okay, I don't know what just happened.
You just went through a door.
It looked like I went through a guy.
No, there was a door there.
Well. And this is fun for you, is it?
It will be very fun for you when you
When I what?
after. All right, you gotta go.
I'm
You
trying.
gotta follow the guy.
I know.
And do exactly what he tells you to do.
Okay.
Well, go in there where he can talk to you. Through the door.
My
Through the door.
controller's almost tight.
No, it ain't. You're
It
good.
is too.
Just run.
Really?
That being was a dragon. No doubt. Like the children's stories and legends. Harbingers of the end times.
Good to make controllers.
Here, let me see if I can get those bindings off.
Go to the guy to where you can take the things off your back of your arms. Not
Keep your
him.
hands free.
Oh,
Or maybe him. I don't know.
well,
Where did his arrow go? Go to him.
Let's cut you loose.
He's got to cut you loose.
okay. Yes.
There you go.
There you go. He
May as
did
well
it.
take
Press
Duncan's
A.
gear.
All right.
You won't be needing it.
Just keep putting one foot in front of him. Gunyar isn't coming back from the dead.
I'm trying,
Take
bud.
his armor and anything else on him.
I'm trying.
Grab Gunyar's gear. No shame in borrowing a friend's axe.
Go get his gear.
Okay.
There's a guy laying on the ground somewhere. Surely.
There.
Right there he is in the forearm. Sit behind him.
Take his armor and
Take
anything
his
else
armor.
on him.
Go down and press, point at him, and press A. Not him. Don't steal from him. Steal from him.
Gunyar isn't coming back from the dead.
Oh,
Take
no.
his armor and
I'm
anything else on
trying,
him.
dude. Did I take something?
Yes, take another. Now put
God,
that
he's
armor on.
naked!
Now go to Rain.
Oh.
Back up. Go down to Rain.
Okay.
Now press Rain. Now put all that armor on.
Wait, how do I do that?
Well,
This I had.
which shoes do you want to wear?
I like fur boots.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't believe I left this dude clothes. He took his clothes.
Do you
But
want
I
to use an
didn't.
axe?
I don't know.
You can't make up your mind between the footwear, right?
Well,
I couldn't either when I got there either. But you see where the stars are at? That's what you should be wearing.
okay.
Well, they're not really stars. So you're going to use the axe. Put the stormcloak thing on. No, leave them boots on. Them boots are fine.
Did I take them off or something?
We're going to, if it's going to take you an hour to do this, yes. That, yes.
Okay.
Alright, now go up to the axe. That, yes. Now you go. Now back out.
Okay.
Alright, now follow
All
him.
right. Get that armor on.
Yes!
Get that axe.
I tried.
You got it
I'm
on.
going to see if I can find some way out of here.
Yes. Someone out of here too.
Look, let's see about that gate.
Okay. Wait. Is that me?
Yeah.
Why do I look just like you?
He wanted you to.
I don't like that.
You'll get more later on.
Come on, you heroes! Take cover!
It's the escaped prisoners.
Oh, wow.
Do not pick his pockets. He won't want it.
How do you pick pockets?
Do you read that?
This is all going too fast.
Yes.
Ah! Oh! Ah! What did I do to them? Oh!
Victory.
Ah!
Maybe one of these
Steal from
victims
him.
had a key.
Maybe one of them's got a key.
I've got to steal from them
You
now
gotta
that
take
they're
that
dead.
key.
Oh my god, that was a girl. She's got panties on. Oh god!
Unlock that.
You'll be
What have I
alright.
done?
You're gonna change weapons. Smart, smart. Get out of them clothes.
Oh, okay,
Now
I
you know the
see.
difference between you and him.
I see that now. Okay.
Now back
That's
off to
horrible.
where, back off to yeah, you can see yourself. Now you see what you look like. Check yourself out.
I'm a guy.
Well, did you want to be a girl?
See if you can unlock that
I
door.
would have preferred
See
to
if
have
you
been
can
a girl.
unlock. Oh, you got the key. Yes.
Come on. Let's
Follow the
get
arrow.
before the dragon brings the whole tower down on our heads.
Keep running. Dude, keep running. Keep running. Ray. You run backwards good.
Thank you.
Wait, don't let the dragon get you. Don't run to the dragon. Uh-oh, he's got something to say.
That dragon doesn't give up easy.
Grab everything important and let's move.
What's
Dragon's
important?
burning everything to the ground.
I just need to gather some more potions.
Go to that door. And grab everything in there that you think is important. Red is good. Red is a
grab it?
potion. See it over there?
How do I grab stuff?
You walk around the table first.
Oh. Okay.
See if you can find any potions.
Get red.
We'll need
Get
them.
red. It's potion. Yeah, you no. Yes, yes. Oh, you taking everything, are you?
I don't know.
Okay. Quit sneaking. Go back here and get that other potion.
What potion? Love potion number 9. Wait a minute. Okay.
All right, there's nothing else in there. Turn around and quit sneaking. Quit sneaking. Turn around towards yourself.
How to
Make you
turn
turn around towards yourself. There you go. You're turning. You're turning. You're turning. All right, get it off of the stair. Wait a minute. Quit sneaking and you'll see where you're going. Nobody can see where you're going as long as you're sneaking. You're sneaking. Quit.
I don't know.
Push a button.
Okay.
No, wrong button.
Okay.
Push a button.
Okay. I've pushed them all.
Get out of that one. Okay. Maybe if you press this.
I'm pressing button. Yes! Give me a sword. Woo!
There you go. It's this button right here. Don't press down on that one. Now
Oh.
go over there and see if you can find any more stuff. He's not going to wait on you long.
Who? I
Don't leave that room. Turn around so we can see what you're doing. Turn backwards. Turn around. Turn
I don't
around
know how.
and look at me.
I don't know how.
I see this. If you you can play backwards if you want to.
I don't know if I like this or not.
Oh, you love it. Keep going. If you can turn around,
Okay, well, I'm trying.
you can do it. There you go. You look backwards. See the arrow? Go over there and get what's in that bucket. No, turn around.
Done. Keep moving.
I don't know how.
He's getting aggravated with you. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Press the button. Oh, more potions.
Okay.
all. You got them all. You
Did
did
I?
good.
Okay.
Okay, now go follow him.
Okay.
Well, yes. He's not, though. You're going back out with the dragon. There's nothing else there. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around and look at me.
Oh.
He's singing to you now. He don't know what you're doing. Turn around.
I'm trying to turn around.
Go forward now. You're in a corner. You.
I don't want to play no more.
Oh, you got it. You got it.
Okay.
Okay, you got it. All right.
'Cause I was getting
Go look
depressed.
for him.
I was getting depressed for a minute.
All
Okay.
right. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay. Can't see.
Yeah, you what if there's more red potion? Get out of there. Look to the left. Right there. Get that red potion. Love potion. Get that love potion. Don't get the salt. No,
I
don't do
forget
that.
what button to push to get it.
No. Get
What?
out of there.
Oh no.
No.
Did I get it?
No. Stop that. Get out of there.
I don't. What? What? B? Exit. Okay. No, I don't want to leave myself.
Let me fix it for you.
Okay. What I do? Well, just get the potion for me. Thanks. Here.
I'm gonna get you started in the right direction.
How do you go forward?
Look here. This and this.
Thanks
See
for
where it's
telling
at?
me.
Look,
Yeah,
look,
okay.
push. And this one right here, but don't push down. Please don't. That's sneaking. Don't sneak.
I don't sneak. Here we go.
Torture.
Yes, it is torture. I agree with you. Yes.
You're going the wrong way. Turn around. You have a problem with
I just-
no, you're going back the wrong way. Turn around.
Make your mind up.
Go that way now. You're
I agree
You
with
wanna
that
go to the
guy.
cage?
This is torture.
now go there. Go down the steps.
Okay.
This is torture. No, you're going to the torture camp. Get things.
On purpose?
Yes.
I'm gonna go get
You're not going to be
tortured?
tortured. You're going to steal things. You have now become a legal thief.
This is terrible.
He's waiting on you over there.
Oh,
You're
do I
running
steal
around
people?
him.
Do I steal stuff
Go
from
over
most
here.
people?
Over to your left. He's over to your left.
Oh,
No,
there he
not
is.
him. Not him.
Oh, I follow him, right?
No. Yes, follow him. Forget the junk. Okay.
No, I want the junk. I guess, don't I?
You-
I need stuff, right? Is that me?
Don't
Yes,
you-
that is me.
Yeah, that's who you're supposed to be following. That's you. Remember, you put a hat on so you know it's you. You don't go in there. You don't go in there. You don't go in there. Turn around.
Wait, what is that?
Phew.
God,
What do you want it to be?
I was warming up.
There you go. You'll get it. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
No, it ain't funny. This is like stressful.
Right. Take a ride. I'm not believing I'm having to tell you take a ride. Backwards. Don't go in there unless you want to steal stuff. The poor guy's waiting on you.
How
Wow!
I'm trying to find him.
That is the most decent game I've ever seen played. You
What happened?
I think I was hanging there minding his own business.
Didn't I come down those steps though?
I don't even know where you're at. I don't have a clue. I know you was supposed to break in there. All right, turn around. All right, go over there where the arrow is. Not. All right. No, that's not. No. Can I borrow the controller for a minute, just for a second?
Why can't I go
You want to
forward?
dance? What, you're there? I mean,
Oh my God.
all right. All right.
Okay, yeah, just fix me a minute.
Oh, I'm trying real hard. First, I got to find the dude. Okay, we're heading in the right direction. Was there anything in the torture chambers you needed? Yes.
How do you do that so easy? Thank you for helping me a minute. And that really was torture. Look how it line. It's not hard to do. I'm glad I'm not doing it. sleeping.
Dragon.
Oh, there's a book. That looks cool. Yeah, get that thing too.
Steal from the dead.
I don't like doing that. This is that's terrible.
You gonna change clothes?
From a
I'm gonna
dead-
let you change clothes again.
Okay, well let me get the
Hold on, let me
controller.
get you started back where the guy is.
No, I got used to doing that thing.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Okay, you can go in and change clothes. Like this. Your apparel or whatever you want to do. Go ahead, go to your apparel, do what you want to do. It's your game.
I know.
You want to be, go down to your hood. You want to wear a hood?
That's not.
You want to wear that?
Yeah, that's.
Okay.
I like
Wear the hood with it. Okay.
So
There
pretty.
you go.
Alright.
Alright, go to weapons. Go back. Go up to weapons. Which do you want to carry? You want to carry an iron dagger or an axe? Why don't you get them both? Hit the other one. You got the left one, you got the right one. There, you got two swords. No, hit that one. Now hit the other one. No, wait a minute. One with your left, one with your right. No.
Well,
Here, give it to me. Now give Okay.
why can't I have a sword?
You're getting ready to get swords. I don't know how to do this.
Ah! Check me out. Woo! I'm sexy now. Give it back.
It's sexy and you know it. Alright.
Watch me. Watch out, guys. Here I come. Wait. Wait a minute. I'm trying to go. Oh no.
I thought you was dancing.
No. Wait a minute. Wait. Wait.
Why are you doing that?
I'm just trying to go forward. Like, ah! Here I go. I've been there before. Give me that.
He's waiting on you.
Okay, here I am, dude. Oh, wait.
Follow him.
I'm trying.
You would search the net, you just, no, you walking backwards.
There he is. Alright.
That's not him. He's telling you to follow him. He's not that way, he's to the left. To the left. There he is. To the left. You're sneaking again. You're sneaking. Turn around. Turn around, you.
Looking for the guy.
You're running backwards. You're gonna lose everything. Follow
No.
the arrow.
Orders are to wait until General Tullius arrives.
Oh, I'm supposed to wait.
No.
We need to pull
Follow the dude.
He
He's gonna
told-
get you out of there.
He told me to wait. Somebody did.
You want to be out of the tunnels? I think you're
Okay.
not following him. You might be. I don't know. I don't think so. I think you're right back where you were.
Oh no.
Turn around.
I don't know how.
There you go. Now go forward.
I've been there before.
Let me get you started.
No, I'm good. Let me do it myself.
Okay, you're driving me crazy. When you turn around.
Okay, well. I'm trying.
You want me to get you out of there until you can
No.
play the other part of the game? Because it all ain't like this, I
Yeah,
promise you.
because this is going to be part one.
Okay, pause it.
Alright. I don't know how to pause.